Have you ever seen a mushroom growing out of a frog? Now that's a question you probably didn't expect to hear today. It sounds like something from a fantastical story, doesn't it? A peculiar blend of biology and whimsy, a sight that would make even the most seasoned of scientists raise an eyebrow. The world is full of mysteries and nature never stops surprising us. So what if I told you that this isn't just a wild thought, but an actual occurrence? Well, believe it or not, it happened. In the lush rainforests of Brazil, a group of scientists stumbled upon a sight that left them astounded. In this verdant paradise where the air hums with the symphony of life, they were conducting their regular ecological survey. The rainforest, a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors and a cacophony of sounds, was their workplace and sanctuary. But that day, they would discover something that would challenge their understanding of the natural world. In a small clearing, they noticed a tiny creature, a frog, seemingly ordinary at first glance. But as they approached, they realized this was no regular amphibian. It was a spectacle that would baffle even the most seasoned biologists. This was a frog, but with a twist. Sprouting from its back was a mushroom. Yes, you heard it right, a mushroom, a sight as bewildering as it is rare. The frog seemed unfazed, hopping around carrying its fungal passenger as if it was the most natural thing in the world. The scientists were left scratching their heads. How did this happen? Was it a freak accident of nature or something more? An amphibian and a fungus, two life forms from different kingdoms, cohabitating in a way never seen before. It was a scene that defied logic, yet there it was, a tangible proof of nature's infinite capacity for surprise. A frog with a mushroom growing out of it, a sight as fascinating as it is bizarre. Now you might ask, how is that even possible? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of symbiosis to understand this unusual phenomenon. Symbiosis, in simple terms, is a close and long-term biological interaction between two different species. It's like the ultimate roommate situation, but in nature. In our case, the frog and the mushroom are the two different species involved. Now, how does a mushroom end up growing out of a frog, you ask? It all starts with a spore, the mushroom's equivalent of a seed. The spore lands on the frog's skin, which is moist and rich in nutrients. An ideal environment for a mushroom to grow. But the story doesn't end there. Our frog friend doesn't just provide a home for the mushroom, it also gets something in return. The mushroom helps to protect the frog by releasing chemicals that ward off harmful bacteria and parasites. This is a perfect example of mutualistic symbiosis, where both parties benefit. Now you might wonder why the mushroom doesn't harm the frog. That's because mushrooms are decomposers, meaning they break down dead organic matter. The frog, however, is alive and kicking, so the mushroom doesn't pose a threat to it. Instead, it uses the frog as a sort of launching pad to spread its spores far and wide. And what about the frog? How does it feel about having a mushroom growing out of it? Well, as strange as it may seem, the frog doesn't seem to mind. In fact, it appears to be quite comfortable with its unusual roommate. Scientists believe this could be due to the protective benefits the mushroom offers, so it's not some bizarre experiment or a trick of the light. This unusual phenomenon is a fascinating reflection of the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. It highlights the intricate relationships that exist between different species and the lengths they go to survive and thrive. So it's not magic, but a fascinating display of nature's wonders. This discovery, while peculiar, has significant implications for the scientific community. Just imagine a mushroom sprouting from a frog. It sounds like a scene from a fantasy novel, doesn't it? But this is reality, and this unusual occurrence could reshape our understanding of biology as we know it. The first and most obvious impact of this discovery lies in the field of symbiotic relationships. Symbiosis is a biological phenomenon where two different organisms live in close proximity and influence each other's survival. Often this relationship is beneficial to both parties, but occasionally it can be harmful or even fatal to one of them. This mushroom-frog relationship seems to be a new kind of symbiosis, one we've never seen before. It challenges our existing knowledge and forces us to reconsider what we thought we knew about symbiotic relationships. But the implications of this discovery extend far beyond symbiosis. It could potentially revolutionize our understanding of the broader field of biology. For instance, how might this strange phenomenon affect the frog's physiology? Could it have any impact on its behavior or lifespan? And what about the mushroom? Does it derive any benefits from this unusual relationship? These are all questions that scientists will need to answer in the coming years. Moreover, this discovery could open up new avenues for research in other scientific disciplines. For example, It could have implications for the study of ecosystems, animal behavior, and even disease transmission. After all, if a mushroom can grow out of a frog, what else might be possible in the natural world? This discovery also underscores the importance of continuous exploration and research. It reminds us that nature is full of surprises, and that we still have so much to learn about the world around us. And it's these unexpected discoveries that often lead to the most profound scientific breakthroughs. Indeed, every discovery, no matter how odd, contributes to our understanding of the world around us. So let's continue to explore, to question and to discover who knows what we might find next. So, there you have it, a mushroom growing out of a frog, a testament to the endless surprises nature has in store. A seemingly ordinary amphibian serving as a host for an unexpected fungal guest. This discovery has captivated the scientific community, sparking discussions about the intricate relationships in our natural world. We've delved into the science behind this unusual phenomenon, the unique symbiotic relationship between the frog and the mushroom, and how it's challenged pre-existing notions about the limitations of fungal growth and the resilience of amphibians. This unexpected find underscores the incredible adaptability of life forms and the unending mysteries that nature harbors. More than just a scientific curiosity, this discovery serves as a potent reminder of the wonders that lie in the unexplored corners of our world. It's a testament to the boundless surprises the natural world holds. Next time you're out in nature, keep your eyes peeled. Who knows what surprising discovery you might stumble upon.